Okay, Algebra 1, Lesson 9. Please pause to write the stuff you need down. I'll do a little bit of explaining along the way. So we've already filled all this part down, and these are the new parts you're going to add on to your table of contents. All right, some new vocabulary. So pause to write this down. Okay, go ahead and let's get this together. This is, oh man, I forgot the page. Page 22. So we're on page 22 here. All right, now that you've copied this down, let's talk about what's happening here. Look, guys, x-intercepts is where it's about the graph. It's where the graph touches the x-axis. And your y values are always 0 there because it hasn't gone up or down at all. That's why you plug 0 in to the y's. And then for the y-intercept, your graph hasn't moved left or right at all. It's on the y-axis. So your x is always 0 there. So when you're looking for y-intercepts, you put 0 into x. So that's how you get intercepts. It's actually a really quick item. It just makes one letter number disappear, boom, and you're done. You get the answer quickly. Now, what can you do with those intercepts? Well, one of the things is it makes it real easy to graph. So this is the equation we just had, and the x-intercept was a positive 2, and the y-intercept was a negative 6. So I just went to my x and marked my 2 on the x-axis, marked my 6 on negative 6 on the y. I connect my dots. I got the line drawn real quick. This is one of the fastest ways to graph a line is to get the x and y intercepts. All right, the next thing we need to know how to do is convert. So go ahead and pause and write all this down. All right, so the key to this, guys, is you need to solve for y. And so the first thing I did was I subtracted 6x from both sides. Now the 24 and the negative 6x, they can't combine. They're separate terms, so they got to keep separated. And then we're going to divide by the number next to the y, which is negative 2. And everything gets divided. So negative 6 divided by negative 2 is a positive 3. 24 by negative 2 is a negative 12. And we are now in slope-intercept form. So we know that the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is negative 12. All right, guys, that was your quick applied lesson. So you do have one assignment. I'm not giving you a lot. I'm giving you just 2 little problems because I need you to take care of a few things. We need to finish iReady. It's supposed to be done by the 15th. So that needs to go get knocked out. I'll leave it open on the 16th, but it needs to get done. No later than this Friday. And you just got to do the diagnostic, guys. Make sure you take quiz number 2 if you haven't done so. If you need to do a retake on it, make sure you study up and prepare for what you got wrong so you can do the retake and your scores will be averaged. Complete your new assignments in Canvas and catch up on any missing assignments. So the grade book is starting to come together. There's still a couple problems. Some of the grades are not counting, which is a little frustrating. So once I get that part fixed, I got it synced now. Now there's an issue with some things not counting for grades. But hopefully I'll be done soon. All right, guys, stay safe. Take care. See you during your Zoom meeting.